Guess what it is? It's a red cabbage, or the inside of one, and it's terrific stuff to eat. But before you eat it, you can have fun with the outside leaves, because they're very interesting in their way as well. In fact, they're best for this trick because they've got a lot of colour, particularly the dark reddish purple colour. So pull little bits off and put them into a cup, and get the cup about 3/4 full. And by mincing it up like that, tearing little bits with your fingers, you make this trick work a lot better. Once it's half to 3/4 full, get boiling water, fresh from the kettle, and straight in on top of it. And take care while you do it. Now you can pound it with a spoon, that'll help the process along. It's a bit like making a sort of cup of cabbage tea. But really all you have to do is to set it to one side and leave it for about half an hour. And as you do that, the colour will come out of the cabbage. And it'll come up looking like this, being cold enough to work with and really quite a rich colour. You'll see it better, of course, if I get the cabbage out of that. So let me put in a clean cup there. I'm using glasses so that you can see what's happening, but they're heat-proof. Hold the cabbage back and pour the liquid off, and you see it's really quite a nice, attractive, bluey, violet, purpley colour. And that's what you might expect from the colour of the leaf behind it. But it isn't always that. For example, if I bring this glass in here, and that one there, and tip a bit of the cabbage water into each, you'll see perhaps some surprising things. Into this glass, I pour the blue violet, and it goes green. Into this glass, I pour the blue violet, and it goes pink. And so there, out of the cabbage, I've got those three colours: green, violet, and red. Magic stuff. Not really. It's all because of the chemical nature of the things that I put the cabbage water into. You see, this is what the chemists call a chemical indicator. And its colour will tell you whether you're dealing with an acid or a base. An acid is that. Vinegar's an acid. Things that are sour generally are. And a base, well, bicarb soda is a common one. Things that are bitter are often alkalis or bases. And this cabbage has an indicator in it that'll tell you whether you're with a base or an acid according to colour. And you can muck around with it too. For example, if I get that one there and pour some acid into it, you'll see the green swinging over to pink. Here it goes. It's done its conversion. There. So that's become acid now. And if I juggle them around carefully, I can get them back to the original colour, a sort of bluish purple. And at that stage, I could judge that, although there's a chemical reaction going in there, you can see the bubbles of the acid reacting with the base, that the whole thing is basically neutral because it's going back to bluish purple. At least it will if I add a bit more of that. So there you are. That's the thing you can do with the red cabbage before you eat it. It's more interesting, in fact, on the outside than you may find it on the inside.
I want to know.